What's going on, everyone? In this video, I want to talk to you guys about why the first hour of trade range is so important to me when it comes to my futures trading. In this particular chart, we're looking at the NASDAQ 100. We're going to start off on the 30-minute, and then we're going to get into the 5-minute time frame, and I want to kind of show you guys how this plays out. For me personally, okay, over the years, I've learned that me as a trader and what I can handle as far as emotions and volatility and market swings is I'm not the best trader off the first 5-10 minutes of the market. Normally, I like to see a little bit of structure. Normally, I like to see a little bit of a trend or a pattern be set up. Even if that is a choppy pattern, I'd like to be able to identify that as a trader, because my style of trading is definitely trading momentum, but more so momentum when we've developed a trend. So for example, what I do each and every single day, no matter the ticker symbol, is I look for the first hour of trade range. So that first hour for me in California is going to be between 6:30 and 7:30 a.m. And what I like to start off by doing is go to the 30-minute time frame, and I like to draw a zone. So when I draw this zone, I'm simply just going to draw a box from the first hour's high to the first hour's low, and I'm going to drag this across the day's range. Okay, so once I have this zone, we're going to see, and I like to change the color to black. Why? I don't know. Don't ask me. I just like to do it. Also, guys, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the channel. It doesn't cost anything to hit that like. It doesn't cost anything to hit that subscribe. I would highly appreciate it. With that being said, once we get into the 5-minute time frame, we're going to see a little bit of a range start to develop here. We're going to see a little bit of a pattern start to develop here. So you'll notice for quite some time we stay up and down with inside this trading range. Now, again, range trading is great for scalpers, because what are you looking to do in a range? You're looking to short the top of the range. You're looking to buy the bottom, short the top, buy the bottom, buy the bottom, short the top. Do nothing in the middle. Okay, so you don't want to be taking any trades in the middle. You want to try to take trades close to the top of the range and close to the bottom of the range. Okay, until we break out of the range, you want to follow as such. Now, again, if you're a range bounded, scalper, what's going to happen is you're going to continue to sell, you're going to continue to buy, you're going to continue to buy, you're going to continue to sell. You're going to continue to sell, and you eventually will get stopped out when we do break the range, which is great. I like to get stopped out once we break the range, because then I know that maybe this range is over. So that's why for me, the first hour of trade is very, very crucial. Now, I also like playing breakouts of the range, whether it be to the top side or to the downside. So notice here, this candle that breaks the first hour trading range, it's a 16-point candle. Typically, what I like to do is I like to take that range and either look for a 1-to-1, meaning I want to obtain 16 points on this potential trade, or I want to cut that range in half, which is going to be 8 points, and I want to take that quick scalp, get my 8 points, and get out. My stop loss will always, it will always be the low of that reason why. So again, the reason why we are taking this trade is because we've broken out of the first hour trade range. So my stop loss becomes, maybe a point or two below the range. Okay. So as long as we don't tag my stop loss and we've broken the range, I want to be sitting long, regardless if it's trickling, regardless if it's staggering, regardless if it's going higher, regardless if it's coming a little bit lower. As long as we haven't taken out a couple of points below my reason why, I'm going to stay in that trade until what? Until I get 8 points, which is half the range, or I get that full 16-point range on that candle. Now we can see here, the high price is 19,655. It goes all the way up to a price of 19,669. So you're going to see here from that price of, from that price of 19,655 all the way up to 19,676, that you're going to get over 10 points. You're going to get over, close to 15 points on this potential move. So if we're looking for 16 points, again, if you're looking for 8 points, if you're looking for 10 points, you would have gotten paid on this breakout. Now, always remember, guys, when we break out of a range or we break down from a range, it's always going to put a new high. It's going to try to consolidate. It's going to try to test new highs, and it's going to pull back. More times than not, it's a break and retest of that initial, range, And then if the range is going to be strong, then we're going to continue to push up to the upside, which you can see here into the close. We actually explode into that last 5-minute candle. So first hour of trade range, guys, that initial balance, make sure you guys have it on your charts. It's going to help you. It's going to protect you. It's going to keep you on the right side of the trade. It's going to help those scalpers out there short the top of the range, buy the bottom of the range. Short the top of the range, buy the bottom of the range. Short the top of the range, sell in the middle, do nothing in the middle. You're not looking to start a short in the middle. You're not looking to start a long in the middle. It's got to be at the bottom or the top. Just remember, if we do break the range, that's your cue that the trend of the range bound choppiness is over. So now you will take one loss. Again, it's not going to always be, daisies and sunshine. It's not going to be as easy as, oh, I'll never be able to lose when we're trading with inside the range. Once we do eventually break out, you will take that losing trade, but then that's going to alert you as a trader to understand that, hey, this is over with now. I need to be looking to play the breakout. And again, take half that range of that breakout candle, which on this particular situation would have been 8 points or a full 16 points. And that's what you're looking for on the move, guys. First hour range of trading has helped me more times than not. I love it. I use it each and every single day on all of my trading platforms, on all of my charts. I'm always familiar with that initial balance. First hour of trade range, 6:30 to 7:30 Pacific Standard Time, 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. Mark it out, guys. Also, if you guys are looking for prop firms to trade with, check the links down in the description box below. Apex, I'm funded with Apex. I like them. They're good. Yes, they've got some new rules incorporated. Just follow the rules, guys. They pay out. They're a good company. It is what it is, right? If you're more of a scalper, go with Apex. If you like to hold trades a little bit longer and maybe sometimes you're in drawdown and you like $2 cost average, go with Top Step. You're allowed to have 5 funded accounts with Top Step. If you guys would like to join my Discord, get access to my courses and trade with myself and the team over at Evolution Traders, that link is also down in the description box below. Yes, it is a fee. It's a one-time fee. Why do I charge? Because again, I don't want just anyone jumping in and trading a million different ways. We trade a very specific way in my room. I'm very stuck in my ways on the way that I trade. It works for me. So I don't want 1,000 different, strategies being flooded into the room. And also, I don't want people that are just looking to copy trades, right? You're never going to get ahead in this business by just trying to copy trades. You need to learn risk management. You need to learn an edge, AKA strategy. You need to learn discipline and what it takes to be a trader. That's what we kind of are working on and focusing on. And we're doing all sorts of cool stuff in there, trying to work on a trading bot here to incorporate some of our strategies. So again, it's a very, very tight-knit, small community, guys. It's not a room with thousands and thousands of people. So if that's what you're looking for, go somewhere else. But again, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see all of you guys in the next video.